Hey, I'm George. In this video, I'll be taking you through our private charter experience. This is a great option for people who want to customize the tour, as you can choose how long to spend at each spot. We're here at Stingray City Sandbar. This is the first stop on our tour. Stingray City is the #1 tourist attraction in the Cayman Islands. Every year, over 1 million people visit this location. We're about to head into the water now and start feeding the rays. We're here at the barrier reef, which is the second stop on this tour. The barrier reef, as you can see, extends along the entire north side of Grand Cayman and then continues all the way along the east side and south coast of Grand Cayman. There's a really wide variety of marine life. Let's go check it out. We're here at Starfish Point, which is the third stop on this tour. Starfish Point is an area in Grand Cayman with a really high density of starfish. Just make sure that you keep them underwater all times because taking them out of the water is not good for them. Let's go find some starfish. Mangroves are a type of tree that can tolerate salt from the seawater. Their roots go through the water into the ground below. This is also the shortest stop. We're usually only here for about 15 minutes. At the mangroves, you're gonna see things like birds, fish, iguanas. Thanks for watching the video. If you'd like to book this private charter, then you can click the Book Now button on our website. If you have any questions, then you can send us an email or contact us through the live chat feature on our site. We hope to see you soon.